In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're new to using Google Sites or just need a quick refresher, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate your way to Google Sites. You can do this by opening a browser and searching for Google Sites in the search bar. Once the results come up, you should see a link that will take you directly to the Google Sites homepage. Click on this link and it'll lead you straight into the world of Google Site creation. Now, once you land on the Google Sites page, you'll want to look through the options you have available. Select the page you are working on by clicking on it. This action will open up your site, displaying your current project and allowing you to edit and add content as you need. With your site open, it's time to identify the text you want to transform into a clickable link. Look through the site content and highlight the specific word or group of words you want to link. You can easily do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Highlighting it makes sure that the next steps attach the link to the correct text. Upon selecting your text, a small toolbar will automatically appear. This toolbar provides various editing options, but the one we're after is the link symbol, which typically resembles a chain link. Go ahead and click on this icon, and you'll open a new input field. In this field, you have two options for link destinations. You can either paste an external URL, such as https://example.com, or you can choose another page from your site. If you're linking to another website, ensure you've copied the full and correct address to avoid any issues when users try to navigate via your link. If you're choosing an internal page, make sure it's the correct section of your site that pertains to the highlighted text. Once you've entered your desired link, click the Apply button to set everything in motion. This step effectively makes the highlighted text into an active link, allowing users who visit your site to click through to the intended destination. Finally, to make all your hard work visible to the public, don't forget to click Publish. Doing this will update your changes and make the linked text live on your site. Remember, reviewing your site's changes and ensuring links work correctly before publishing is always a good practice. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to link text in Google Sites quickly and effectively. Regular practice using these steps will make you more efficient over time. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Google Sites projects.